Is this thing on? Does this thing work from Tokyo? I don't know. I wonder if there's anyone out there that is watching, their YouTube channel. Good morning, everybody. Welcome from Tokyo to a little hangout with your buddy Uncle Bruce. I hope you don't mind me intruding into your busy morning. I hope you're doing okay out there. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and got some rest and getting ready to reload your trades this week or whatever you're up to. Welcome all to the little impromptu. Hi, how are you? I thought I'd come on and just say hello, let you know I'm alive and well, and it's all good. I'm enjoying Tokyo very much. I'm going to be heading out of Tokyo tomorrow. Just 1 second. I'm just going to double check something there. I'm going to head out tomorrow to. Well, actually, no. Excuse me. Um, Let me get my act together here. I think I head out. Don't I head out today? I think I head out today. Yes, actually, what's happening is it's Monday night here, where I am, and Tuesday morning I'm out of here. So actually, it's in the next 12 hours, 13 hours that I'll be leaving Tokyo and heading for Hiroshima on a bullet train. So that's what's going on. Welcome all to the channel today, um, and thank you for joining me. Do I miss you guys? Yeah. Do I miss you enough to put all the memberships back and do everything again? No, not quite that much. Thank you for any of you out there who caught my video on SoFi and GameStop last week. I popped those two videos up last week, and the GameStop video got a nice bunch of views, and that was nice to see. And then I put a SoFi video together that it really got some views. I think we broke 10,000 views on that video. I haven't had a 10,000 view video in 3 years. It's kind of nice to see. Although I will say that a year and a bit ago, when GameStop took that shot, when Roaring Kitty showed up, I did have a couple of good days there, but that was an anomaly. And this is from plain old hard work, cranking out a video or two, and we'll see how it works out. Welcome all. Thank you for being here. I wanted to mention today about this nonsense that's going on about this 15% payoff to the Trump administration by Nvidia and AMD so they can sell chips to the Chinese. I think this is a bribe. I think plain and simple, it's a straight out bribe. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but I think that the administration people told Nvidia and AMD, you guys want to sell these chips to the Chinese, we want 15% of the action going to our government. And I don't know why these two stocks are not getting pummeled right now, because they should be punished dramatically by shareholders. They should be punished by the market, because this is the beginning of what could become an absolute ugly new way of extortion from the White House to its own businesses, its own country's businesses. Um, Plain and simple. I do not understand how this is legal. I have no idea how this is legal. I don't care what you call it, how you explain it, what kind of a title you give it. This is ridiculous, and I'm thinking it's going to cost Nvidia money. It's going to cost AMD money. Now, theoretically, some people say, no, what they're going to do, Bruce, is they're just going to add a higher charge to the products that the Chinese are buying, and then the Chinese end up paying this to Nvidia, AMD, and then in AMD, Nvidia hand over 15% of the U.S. Treasury from these invoices. You can call it that, but I don't know if that's going to work out. I really don't know. It's a weird one to me, an absolute weird one to me. I've never seen anything like it. Never heard anything like this ever before, and everything I can come up with it was a bribe to get the license. That's what it is, and I wonder about every other exporter in the United States. Are they going to have to pay a bribe to the White House for certain products that they want to export starting, in the next month or 2 or 3? Are we going to be into 50 different companies paying 50 different bribes to the U.S. government to be able to sell product to other countries? This is wild to me, absolutely wild. I thought the Republican Party stood for get government out of my life, have lower government, have less regulation, not have this. I'm shocked. The other piece of news that came out, I guess, was our friends over at AI. The AI people have been having issues. We know that the CEO, the CEO and the chairman of the board, he has to step back for health reasons. This came out about a month and a half ago. But now I guess AI came out with their financials and they missed on the top and bottom line. And they were short of estimates for delivery of results. And so the shares have taken a bit of a tumble. And people are wondering, what's going on? They're at 1480 right now, down 733. And for any of you out there who've written cash secured puts, you're probably in the range here where you wrote 20s or 22s or whatever, but you got a nice premium on them. And if you did get exercise, you'll probably own them around this price. We'll have to see how this plays out the next few days. I know that the company is on a search for a new CEO. They have been for over a month. And I wonder if the shares will do a bit of a turnaround when the new CEO is announced. But in the meantime, the shares are under pressure, and that's the story on that. Other stocks I'm watching, as we always do, Rocket Lab down 14, SoFi down 14, GameStop down 8 this morning. The triple Qs are up $1 this morning, nothing incredibly serious. Again, I'm surprised the Qs are even up. I would think that stocks like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, even Meta, that they would all be wondering, are we next? Are any of us next to have to pay a bribe to the White House in the form of some kind of a tariff license fee, to be able to sell our products overseas? I really wonder what the hell is going on. I don't know. Supermicro is up 44. ASTS is down 15. But you got Palantir down 19 cents. Unity up a quarter this morning. What do we got? Netflix up 135. Pfizer up 7. And nothing on IBM. Uber down 8. AMD down 356. There's a stock. One of the two having to pay a bribe. Their stock is off 1%. The Nvidia shares right now are sitting at down 22 cents. I just have a feeling the market is looking the other way, and I don't think he can look the other way. I really don't think so. This is seriously bad. Anyway, I'm just a guy, obviously, in Tokyo now, watching these developments, wondering, what the hey is happening, and wondering why and what and how is this even possible, even in any way possible. I don't know. In any event, welcome to the party, pal. Thank you for joining me this morning from wherever you are. Let's see who's here. We'll say hi to a few people. We've got White Feather here. Hello there. Lisa is here. Is he going live? I think so. Lisa, C3, I bought some on the dip here. Stock Jockey, welcome to the party, pal. Awesome says good morning. Richard Carlin is here. Stephen Abanovich is here. Adam, AI is down 30% pre-market. Yes, sir. Burger's here. Bobby, 8 a.m. Eastern time, and Uncle Bruce in my ear. That feels like 2 weeks ago. Mike Fitzgerald is here. He calls himself Quasaball. We all know his real name is Mike Fitzgerald. Good morning. KD is here. Hello there. Good evening. Good morning. It's 9:10 at night where I am. 6:10 in Alberta. 8:10 in New York in the morning. Splair's in the house. How you doing there, buddy? Lisa, unfortunately, I'd sold AI cash secured strikes 35s for Jan 26th. The premium was around 7, so she's kind of stuck there with a $28 buy. Splair, good morning, you all. Just in case I'm back in Canopy, trying my best there. Rice Checks, good morning. Stock Chalky, 10% for the big guy. Murray, looking good, Bruce. Hiroshima is beautiful. Not a lurker says sub and like. Thank you, everybody, for that. Ray could hack the retirement, Bruce. Was happy to see your last two videos doing so well. Dude, howdy, stranger. Mandu number 523. Good morning, everybody. Tom Sack, Uncle Bruce live in the house. What happened, baby? DH, no more emojis. No, we can't do. We have to write the word ourselves. That's right. Lisa Archer has earnings today after market close. What about is ASTS coming out today with numbers? I was wondering if they might be coming out with an update or something. Matt, what a pleasant surprise. Hey, Uncle B, Tom Sack, greetings from Germany. Jeff, good morning, Uncle B. Mark, good morning from Aruba. B. Tizzle, good morning, Uncle Bruce. Gaverty, good morning to you. B. Tizzle, Rocket Lab is also joining that index with SoFi. That's true. I was going to talk about that in another video. Computer Whiz, hey, Uncle B. Lisa, I will try to roll down my AI cash kit puts to a lower strike for December 26th. There you go. Henry T. Good morning, Uncle Bruce. And Matt, ASTS is after market close. There you go. So they're gonna talk tonight and bring out an economic update. I'm quite curious about that. I know that ASTS has done a masterful job of raising a bunch of fresh cash. They are now at $1.5 billion in cash, I think, sitting in their bank now. They've done a number of reorganizations on some of their outstanding notes. And I think it's brilliant because they're going to be cash rich and they're going to start generating serious income as these satellites get launched into space that will allow regular cell phones to be able to subscribe into satellites above ground for satellite coverage. This is a game changer. Mark my words. AT&T, I believe, and Verizon have signed up for these guys for all of their clients. So there are going to be 100 million phones eligible to join in for a monthly fee. ASTS is going to be collecting monthly fees from millions of clients through these massive phone companies. It's just a sweet deal. We'll see what happens. Hey, Tom says, boom, he's back. Ray, one of the Discord stocks, Sound, smashed earnings and went up 30% on Friday. Do you follow this stock, Bruce? I don't follow it intimately, no. I'm aware of them. I've heard of them, of course, because of this channel, by viewers, but I don't intimately follow them at all. Henry, contract writer just came back. Orange County, hello, everybody. Okay. Chase Rosita Parker is here. Good morning, and good morning to you. Welcome all. Thank you, all of you out there who wrote wonderful emails to myself, to Jen, wishing us all the best and thanking us for what we've done. Hoping that our vacations go well. Jen just had a birthday the other day. Her birthday was 2 days ago, and she turned 70. The big 7-0 for Jen. I will turn 70 in September. I make a point of living with older women. That's my style. They're much more mature than I am, and so I go after the older gals. So happy birthday to Auntie Jen, and way to go. She's with her sister right now, having just a delightful time. She'll be with her sister and her brother-in-law for another 6 days or so. They're having a great time. They're camping in Alberta. They're going to see stuff. They're coming back to Calgary tomorrow. All is well. So Jen is doing great. I'll catch up with Jen September the 5th in Amsterdam. We will rendezvous in Amsterdam on September the 5th. And we'll get together at that time. And we will actually rendezvous with our daughter at the end of September in Zermatt. So the family will be together, but in Zermatt, Switzerland, which is kind of cool. And we're very grateful that we can actually do that. So pretty cool stuff, and it's all good. So happy birthday to Auntie Jen, and She's doing great. She's just doing super. Here in Tokyo, we've had some rain the last couple of days, but I think we've turned the corner for a little bit. I'll be on a bullet train tomorrow to Hiroshima, and 3 days later, I'll be on a bullet train to Osaka. Be there for 5 days, and then I'll be back here in Tokyo for 2 nights before I have to catch a flight to Singapore, and I'll be in Singapore for 1 week. And I'll take you with me. We'll occasionally pop a photo or two up and let you know how things are going. Anyway, there you have it. Giddy up. Lisa's 70 years old, and that's the new 60, you know. Blair, can't believe that we've got a long live stream. I went to the pharmacy to grab another little bunch of flowers just because I thought I had a long dip time, nothing else to do. Missed, unfortunately, the dip by 2 cents on CGC. Vash, good morning, everybody. And Bruce, have you found a Yoko Ono cafe yet, or are you wasting time with this stock market stuff? Uncle Bruce, do you have some time in Amsterdam? And happy birthday to Andy Jen. I don't know yet if we're going to have much time in Amsterdam. We haven't figured out. I honestly do not know. We have not booked anything, Jen and I, for Europe as far as where we're staying, other than Zermatt. And after Zermatt, we're doing a cruise. Those are the only 2 things we got. I have to book hotels after the cruise, before Zermatt, and cities and what have you. Still working on that. Richard Carlin, giddy up, Blair. Are you going to be in Dortmund? Wasn't planning on. CKT, good morning, Uncle B. Blair found here a good coffee and restaurant. There are 2 regional ones. CKT number 42. Thank you. Yeah, well, thanks for the thumbs ups, you guys. Yeah, if you're able to hit the old thumbs up button, hit that for us. That would be much appreciated. I can't put up a poll question, I don't think, today. I don't think I was able to do that. But thank you, those of you who've been able to hit us up with a thumbs up or 2 this morning, or a thumbs up or 1. Much appreciated. Again, thank you all for joining me this morning. It's now 6:18 Calgary time, 8:18 New York time. There we go. The channel is up and running. We had 46 thumbs ups. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And it does say, would you like to start a poll question? Well, I was looking at trying to get one going, but I couldn't find the button. But maybe next time we'll go from there and set something up. There you go, kids. That's the story. The pre-market, we're up 123 on the Dow today. We're ahead about 12 points on S&P. We're up 35 on NASDAQ. Gold is down $79 an ounce. That's a hit. And crude oil is up 31 cents. But it's only at 64.19 a barrel. So not a lot for crude oil today at this time. It's not going to 70 or 80 bucks a barrel at all. Interesting that, would you not say? Most interesting indeed. And let's take one more peek at markets. Yes, Rocket Lab is up 20 or down 20. SoFi's up 11. GameStop up 4. And the triple Qs are up $1.03. MicroStrategy's up 10.90. Apple down 99. Tesla's up 620. Microsoft up 130. Google down 35. Amazon up 112. Nvidia down 51 cents. Meta up 140. Supermicro up 46. Over on AMD, the other company that got taken for a ride by the administration. Where are we at on AMD? Have I got that over here? I thought I had that over there. Maybe I have it over here. AMD. Don't see it for whatever reason. I'm blind today. Not seeing it. AMD. Here we go. We'll get over here. AMD. There we are. 170.88 down $1.88 at this point in the pre-market. This morning's low was 166.70. So it's come up $4 from the low of the morning. I wonder, as the day goes on, the week goes on, will AMD and Nvidia pay a price in the market for their shares for this 15% bribe that I'm calling a bribe that they had to pay, or you want to call it extortion, whatever you want to call it, for that license to sell chips. They had to pay off a 15% payoff. I find that disgusting and very unsettling, and I think that's a can of worms that I don't want to see opened up with the rest of the marketplace out there. Just me. I just find it completely wrong. That there's a reason there's income tax. Income tax is there to collect a portion of companies' profits. This 15% license fee, this is BS, and I'm not a fan. Okay. Waverly, Uncle Bruce is live. What year is it? Katie, good morning, friends. Gustav, what's going on? Spare, how's it? It's looking on your trades that you make already again. I'm sitting right now on some cash secured puts on GameStop. And are you doing any watch swapping? No. Jen is in charge of getting some paperwork done for setting up an account for us, and she's doing that back in Calgary, but she won't be on that until later this week. We as I said, we weren't trading anything when I was on the air with you every day, and so we're now in the process of we've created a corporation. It's not familiar, and Jen has to get some paperwork done with our bankers. And then she can get paperwork done with the broker, and then we can get funds transferred in there, and all that is being worked on. So, at the moment, I'm not trading at all. Chase Rosita Parker, neat. Lisa, Uncle Bruce, will you sell cash secured puts on AI today? I would be very interested in doing that. I would say if you can write 15s and get a nice premium on them, look into that. Especially if you can get, a real good premium going further up. I have no idea what those contracts are going to open up at, but yeah, AI down to this level. Worthy of a peak. Pardon me, I'm yawning because it's late for me, and I got to get some sleep because tomorrow is a travel day for me. But in any event, yeah, AI having backed off like it has because of this shortfall in earnings and sales. 1506 right now, down 707 a share. So if you can write $15 cash secured puts for Jan 26, for example, if you can get a good premium on them, worthy of a look, would you consider writing higher strikes, 17s or 18s or even 20s? I don't know. I don't know if you'll get enough. You want to get a premium over and above book value. You don't want to just get book value for writing any cash secured puts on any stock. So can the 15s give you $3, $4, $5 payoff? Then that might be worthy of a considerable thought to go towards doing 15s if your cost basis would be $10 or less. I don't see that as a major risk from here. The risk has already been done down to this level. Yeah, there you go. We'll see what we'll see what happens. Anyway, there it is, folks. I thought I'd just say hi and pop in and see you folks and let you know I'm alive and well, and I thank you all for your all your kind wishes out there. I would very much like a video on how you're starting your account as a Canadian. Well, I don't know if I do anything like that, but thank you for that comment. You're going to hear next from me. I'll be cranking a video out the next couple of days. It'll be from Hiroshima. It'll be a market video, but not about Hiroshima. There will be Hiroshima video or two on my other channel. I just uploaded about an hour ago a video on my other channel talking about the Tokyo station where the high-speed trains come and go. I went over there day before yesterday and I bought my high-speed rail tickets. I got them right here. I've got my high-speed rail tickets for 3 separate spots right here, and I'm going bullet train first class all the way. So I'll be filming that and making a video about that. But I can show you right here how much I paid for my ticket. I don't know if this works. This doesn't work. It's not working. My ticket cost me 56,290 yen. So for you Americans out there, it's about 150 yen to the dollar, kind of. So if you figure out 15,000 yen is $100 US, and 60,000 yen is 400 US dollars. This is 56,000 yen, so it's just under $400 for me to travel first class in the green section on the bullet train for 3 separate journeys. Tokyo to Hiroshima to about 4 hours. Hiroshima to Osaka should be about 2 hours, and Osaka to Tokyo about 2 hours. So 8 hours of high-speed rail for under $500 in first class, not reserved, but first class reserved. I'm quite looking forward to that journey, and I will have my camera going, and a video will be published about my journey on the bullet train for sure. So we'll produce a regular video on this channel from Hiroshima. There'll definitely be videos coming out from Osaka, and then I'll be producing videos on this channel from Singapore and Dubai. And then when I catch up with Jen in Amsterdam, we'll figure out by that time where are we going from Amsterdam and for how long, and before we make our way to Zermatt, Switzerland. So there you go. Thank you all for your kind best wishes and support. TWB show tonight? No, there will not be a TWB show. I just cranked a video out that took me 6 hours to make with all kinds of technical issues I had to deal with. Oh my gosh. No, I can't do a TWB live show with me on the train heading to Hiroshima. None of that. I will not be doing live shows on TWB for a while because I'm traveling now and I'm producing travel videos. This is the second one. I've already cranked out one TWB video all about the busiest crosswalk in Japan, the one where they walk across 5 different roads. And the Costco. I went to a Costco in Japan, here in Tokyo. I did a video about those two in one video. And now I've done a video about walking underground in the underground system here to my local metro stop, and then going to the station in Tokyo and showing all kinds of footage for you guys inside the Tokyo station, outside the Tokyo station. And I have a photo from above and whatnot. There's some neat information about that structure. It's unbelievable. When you see it in person, you can't believe it. It's just insane. Again, thank you so much for being here. Cheers live. Thank you, Splitter, for all your comments. I can't read them all. Crazy 49er. I tried to take a picture of Mount Fuji from the train, but it's moving so fast. Kept getting poles and buildings in every click. And Lou, Shinjuku and Shibuya. That's right. Shinjuku is the city that I live in here. It's a suburb of Tokyo. And Shibuya is another one. And that in Shibuya is where the crosswalk is. The Scramble Crossing, exactly. And I filmed it while I walked it, and then I filmed it from the Starbucks from the second floor, and I even got a time-lapse photography video in, which I was kind of proud of. And so check it out if you can, by all means, and I say thank you. Give it a thumbs up, of course, and gives the show a thumbs up yourself as well. Have a great day, everybody. Make a bunch of money out there. Thanks again for your comments today, and we will see you the next time I pop in. You just never know when I'll just pop on by. Might be pre-market, it might be during the market, it might be after the market, it might just be whatever. So you keep an eye on the channel. Thank you again so much, very much. Did you check out the micro bars in Shinjuku? No, I have not. I have not done any of that. All right, you guys, thanks again. Have a good one. Thank you for the thumbs ups today. Great to see you. And we'll catch you next time from either Tokyo, Hiroshima, Osaka, Singapore, Dubai. I mean, from wherever. Henry T, thanks, buddy. Juan JM, hey, buddy. Neat. Don't forget those knee emojis, folks. Keep that market going for you. Get richer today, please, and stay in touch. And we'll talk to you next time here. Stock Markets with Bruce from Tokyo. I'm saying bye.